What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back. Today we have a lot of things to talk about. I brought two new altcoins for us to talk about their technical analysis. We are having good bullish patterns for this altcoin, so that's why I have to show you. And if you don't want to miss it, stick with me until the end of this video. So let's start with Bitcoin, and as you remember, on the last video I was talking about the successful breakout of this symmetrical triangle. And I was warning you about the fact that we could have a relief rally here to the level of this resistance here and this resistance here. I told you these are 2 points to pay attention to because we could be rejected by both of them because they are very important levels. This level here is a very important level, not only because it's the previous support of the symmetrical triangle, but also because if we are not going to be rejected by this level here, and we start closing candles above this level, we would be invalidating this symmetrical triangle here. And the most probable scenario on this case would be for the prices on the next hours and days to come and retest the level of the other symmetrical triangle that we had before, the bigger one. Let me zoom out for you. This one. So that's why this level is very important for us to be rejected. And by the way, guys, I opened a short position here because we are having a very good risk-reward ratio. Let me explain you. I opened a short position somewhere here. And why is this a really good short opportunity? Because of the risk-reward ratio. As you know, this zone is very important, very important. It was previous support many times. And why did I just tell you? If we break out from here and start consolidating here, we are shifting trend. So that's simple. We have to put our stop loss right there above this candle here. And where would be our target? If you watch my videos already, you know the next target here for us. It would be all the way down to 25k, giving us a risk-reward ratio of 10. Meaning that we are risking not much comparing to the potential profit that you're gonna have. And one more thing that shows us how important this level that we are fighting right now is this indicator here that shows us the volume traded. And you can see exactly the zone that we have the most volume traded is exactly at this place, at 26,800. There is indeed here one thing that I'm concerned about, which is bullish divergency. Bullish divergency on the 4 and on the daily time frame, as you can see. This is kind of bullish, and this increases our possibility of breaking out to the upside here and retesting one more this level of resistance. But anyway, I will keep my short position open because of this risk-reward ratio. The next coin that I wanted to show you here is Ripple. So let's start analyzing here previous price actions, because what we are doing right now in the present moment looks exactly like this one. So here you can see we have a symmetrical triangle, this being an important zone of resistance and support, and once we broke it to the upside, we hit our target, right? Our target here was insanely crazy. 1,500%. And as you can see here, we went up not only 1,500%, but way more. Way more. We found our top here in December 2017, and guess what we started doing? Symmetrical triangle, exactly as this one. So what are we having right now? The price bouncing here between these resistances, and we are facing this zone of resistance right now. If we break this to the upside right now, we are most probably going towards this resistance here. And if we break it to the upside, if we break this symmetrical triangle to the upside, you know what is ahead. A crazy, crazy, insane movement. Guys, you have to understand that it's not Rodrigo here that is talking about it. It's just the chart. That's what the chart is showing to us right now. And the target here would be the height of the symmetrical triangle, depending on the point of the breakout. But we would have approximately 4,000% from the moment of the breakout, depending on where we break out. So this is crazy, guys. Of course, this is a very long time frame. We are analyzing here the weekly time frame. Don't rush. If you want to trade this movement, be prepared for some position trade, not for a day trade. This is the type of trade that you buy and you forget that you have. And of course, we have to talk about the other side as well. We have to pay attention because we cannot lose the level of this support here. In this scenario here, we did lose, but it was just a fake out a week. We didn't even close any candles below anybody's. It's just the wick of the candle. The next one is MATIC, guys. As you can see here, we are forming a bullish falling wedge for MATIC. This pattern, the target of this pattern is all the way up to the beginning of the movement right there. So two scenarios here for you to pay attention. First, as the name says, it is a bullish pattern and usually breaks out to the upside. So if we break to the upside here, we are most probably coming towards this level of our target. But before that, we have this level of support. As you can see, it is acting as a really good support right here on the daily time frame. And if we break it to the downside before breaking to the upside, we are most probably going to retest these levels here of the falling wedge, the bottom of the falling wedge, before eventually going higher and hitting our targets. As we exactly did here, you can see that we had a clear level of support here. Once, twice, 3 times. We faced some resistance here on this level, and as soon as we broke the support, we came to retest the bottom of the falling wedge. So we have a very similar scenario here. Just getting rejected by this level here, increasing our probability of breaking out to the downside. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.